In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Mobile Simulator to Chrome. If you build or test websites, a mobile simulator is an easy way to see how your pages look on phones and tablets without leaving your desktop. You'll be able to preview different devices, check responsive breakpoints, flip between orientations, and even capture what you see for quick sharing. Start by opening Google Chrome. With Chrome up, head to the Chrome Web Store page for Mobile Simulator, Responsive Testing Tool. You're looking for the extension with that exact name. On the extensions page, you'll see a button labeled Add to Chrome. Click it, and when Chrome asks you to confirm, choose Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it in just a moment. Once it's done, you'll notice a new extension icon appear in the top right corner of your browser toolbar. That's your shortcut to the simulator anytime you want to test a page. To keep the simulator easy to reach, you can pin it to the toolbar. Click the puzzle piece extensions icon in the top right. A small menu will open showing all your installed extensions. Find Mobile Simulator, Responsive Testing Tool in the list, then click the pin icon next to it. After you pin it, the simulator's icon will stay visible on your toolbar, so it's always just one click away. With the extension installed, here's what it brings to your workflow. It can simulate iPhone, Android, and various tablet screens, which is perfect for previewing layout changes without juggling physical devices. It's designed for responsive testing, so you can quickly check how your site behaves as the screen size changes and make sure buttons, menus, and text are usable on smaller displays. You can switch between portrait and landscape instantly, making it easy to catch issues that only appear when a device is rotated. And when you're ready to share what you're seeing, the simulator supports taking screenshots and screen recordings, which is great for documenting bugs, gathering feedback, or including visuals and change requests. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome, visit the Mobile Simulator, Responsive Testing Tool page in the Chrome Web Store, click Add to Chrome, confirm by selecting Add Extension, and look for the new icon in the top right. For quick access, use the puzzle piece menu to pin it. Once it's in place, you'll have a simple, reliable way to preview mobile and tablet experiences directly in Chrome, saving you time and helping you ship more polished work.